Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Esright, 12,000 BTU window air conditioner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include full window view and open window flexibility. Unlike traditional window AC units, our U-shaped design allows you to open and close your window freely, maintaining a clear outdoor view and bringing in fresh air whenever needed. Enjoy cooling without sacrificing natural light. Ultra-quiet performance, 38 decibels. Designed for peaceful environments, this window air conditioner operates as quietly as 38 decibels, significantly reducing noise levels for uninterrupted sleep, work, or relaxation. Ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and living rooms. Built-in pump and advanced drainage system. Our integrated pump and high-efficiency filtration system prevent drainage issues, ensuring smooth operation and long-lasting performance, even in humid conditions. Powerful cooling for up to 350 square feet. With 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, this unit efficiently cools spaces up to 350 square feet, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, and small offices. Adjustable fan speeds and cooling modes allow you to customize your comfort. Window size compatibility. This unit fits windows 24 to 48 inch wide, with a minimum window opening height of 16 inch and a minimum floor height of 12 inch. Be sure to measure your window dimensions before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.